Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, for my laptop or desktop I have installed Windows 11 but I'm not able to operate my Wi-Fi. I'm not able to connect my Wi-Fi. What I have to do here? Just go to start menu and just type device. Once you type a device option, there will be a device manager will be open here. Just hit the button, automatically device manager will be open here. So on the device manager, just choose network adapters. Once you select the network adapters, there will be a Bluetooth device, Intel dual brand wireless and Ethernet will be there. So you need to connect Wi-Fi wireless connection. So just right click on that and use update drive. Once you select the update drive, it will ask you for the browse your computer for device or search automatically. Just choose search automatically. Automatically it will search and get your drive and it will update in your laptop or desktop. This device is a best already installed over there. So if you want to update the drive, just click your Windows update. Automatically your drive will be update from the Windows. So you can choose or automatically search the option to get your drivers over there through the Windows operating system. So once you complete this option, just go to again start menu, just type service. Once you type service app will be open here. Just hit the button. So this is a service app. Just to scroll down, you will get an option called WWAN, that is wireless WAN. So WWAN auto configure is there. So just choose the WWAN auto configure. Just right click on that and go to properties. Once you go to properties, just startup type should be automatic. Do not be a disable. If it is disabled means your Wi-Fi not work properly. You just select the automatic and click apply means it will ask you for the start and stop. Once you give a start and just click OK means automatically your wireless auto configuration will be activate. After this updation, just go to Windows updates on the same service. Just use right click, go to properties and just select the startup type should be in automatic. So if it is disabled means just change into automatic, manual into change into automatic and click apply means it will ask for the start service. Once you click a start service, the service will be start over there. So once it start, automatically it will update and click OK. So once the 3 steps is complete means automatically your Wi-Fi device will be start configured in your laptop. If you've done everything, just open start menu and just click a restart your laptop or desktop. Automatically your Wi-Fi device will be work properly in your laptop. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.